Malachi. So we're wondering, you gave us a hint last week about relationship building. Yeah, I still don't get it really. I still have no idea what Wednesday nights are going to be about.
Exactly. It made me realize we just became best friends.
I never thought that you would be the one to hold my heart, but you came around and you knocked me off the ground from the start. You put your arms around me, and I believe that it's easier for you to let me go. You put your arms around me and I'm home. How many times will you let me change my mind and turn around? I can't decide if I'll let you save my...
Not that, you know.
Sure, I'll give you guys another hint. But before I do, you have to do something for me. Somebody has to eat one of these chili peppers. Who's it gonna be?
Malachi, what are you doing?
Hey, Steven. I'm trying to throw the pepper dramatically.
Oh. He can't do this. He can't eat hot Cheetos.
You alright? Why'd you do that?
Dude, that's hot.
Why'd you do it?
It's hot. Dude, give us some milk, please.
That's what the milk's for.
Okay. Malachi, what's the whole point of that?
So like, are Wednesday nights gonna be spicy or something?
What do you think?
The pepper's a clue. A pepper may be small, but inside your mouth, it packs a huge punch.
Oh, okay. So it's small.
But it doesn't make a huge impact.